Kufakwe isiphakamiso esiphuthumayo esethulwe ezindlini zomsakazo sokumiswa kwebamba lesikhulu samaphoyisa seGroleni uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi emuva kokuvela kwegama lakhe kufakazo bethulwa kwikhomishana kaMadlanga.
I've been briefed yesterday, on Tuesday and yesterday I received a briefing from the audit committee. There is a preliminary investigation, so we need the city manager to actually conclude so that a report is processed. Then council is fully briefed. When council actually, take any other decision, it will actually be informed.
Umkhwanazi usolwa ngokubhalisa izimoto okholakala ukuthi ngezomsolo oboshiwe uVusumuzi Khet Matlala wasibhalisa njengezimoto zomkhandlu ezigunyazwe amalamba ahlaza ezikhulu esiphezulu. Amanye amaqembu aphikisa emkhandlwini asolwe iDemocratic Alliance kuyiyona eyayiphethe idolobha ngo-2023.
I proposed the motion, Alderman Campbell seconded that motion, and we did that so that we can get transparency. But it's also important to remember under Alderman Tanya Campbell's tenure that she requested for numerous SIU reports, including fleet. So I think that those allegations are just part of political.
Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi unikwe umhlaba khefu emsebenzini kuzokuphothulwe uphenyo.